All right, what's up guys? Today's video, I just want to recap on some stuff on the Dakota and all the projects on the channel. We've been doing a lot of stuff and we've been moving really fast. So I just want to take this time to recap where we're at, what the plan is, what we're doing, and what you guys can expect to come. But I have a package that I've been dying to open. So I want to do that with you guys. Let's open it now. So here's the box here. It's from Whatever It Takes transmission. You guys know on the Dakota that we've been having some leaks. And one of our buddies that is a supporter of Boosted Motorsports sent us a care package. So I'm excited to open it, see what's inside. I think I know what this is. Boom. So there is a transmission pan gasket. So we got the pan gasket, but we also got some other stuff. So let's see what else we got. Oh, that's gonna look nice. We got a fresh new transmission pan because ours is looking pretty crusty. Look at that. This looks so much better. So we have just like a spray painted silver one right now on the truck, so that'll be a huge improvement. Plus it'll make it nice, we don't have to clean up all the stuff. We also got a transmission filter. I don't know what other goodies we got in here. A huge catalog from Whatever It Takes transmissions so we can find all the parts that we need. So again, huge thanks to them, Whatever It Takes transmission. I'll link them both below as well in the description. These guys are super cool. They'll hook you up with whatever you need for your transmission. So I'm a fan of supporters of the channel and they've hooked it up and I think they have great prices too. So definitely check those guys out. And we got some clothes too. So I think we got a few shirts too, so we'll definitely be rocking these on the channel. So thanks again, Shane at Whatever It Takes. Hit them up for any transmission stuff you guys need. And I was doing something I thought was pretty uneventful. I was pulling out nails out of here, but you guys would not believe the amount that I've pulled out, just rusty nails, and they continue to just come out of here. I've been using this little magnet to pull numerous nails and screws out of here. So we resorted to the shop vac, got all that junk out of there, but not that exciting. So on other news, we do have a PO box or a mailbox so you guys can actually send anything. If you guys think there's something that we should have on the channel, feature on the channel, show on the channel, or you guys just want to send something, we can put it here in the garage. I now have a PO box. It also has a street address if you can't UPS it. So check in the description below. I'll have that PO box or street address down there below. You guys can check that out, send something, we'll put it on the show. We'll start doing like a mail time as well, and we'll have it here on Boosted Motorsports, so check that out as well. As far as the truck, I'm gonna be changing the mirrors, so you guys know that I have those mirrors. So the truck's now lowered, we're gonna put the mirrors on it, and we still have a lot more other stuff. So pretty much with the exception of the transmission leak that we still have to do, and you guys saw all the seals and stuff that Whatever It Takes transmission sent us. Once we get that stuff taken care of, we can really start focusing on performance stuff and trying to make this thing go faster. So we're pretty much there. Only thing I have right now is I still have that mismatch of spark plug wires underneath the hood. So I have to replace those, and I'm probably going to do those as well, just to at least get it running right. Because right now it still kind of has a little bit of a misfire. But other than that, there's no exhaust leaks, anything of that nature. So we're on to the next step where we can start improving things and try to make this thing go a little bit faster. We also have that tuner that we still have to try out and see if it makes any difference over the Mopar ECU that's in that. But that pretty much wraps up the truck for now. Like I said, it looks really good. I'm really happy with how it's coming. Some other small stuff that we could probably do is a stereo. I know somebody in the comments said that they would send me a stereo because they had one kicking around. But if you guys, if that was one of you guys, like I said, I have a PO box now, so you guys can feel free to send anything that you think would be cool in the truck, any of the cars, or just feature on the channel as well. Update on the Viper, not too much to tell you guys right now. This car is kind of just, it's already a project that we kind of completed for the most part. There's always stuff that you can do to these things, but they're pretty expensive to mod, and we're kind of focused on getting this thing up to speed right now. So car still works, no issues with it so far. There's a couple small like coolant leaks that we might have to address, but there are sometimes small whiffs of coolant that come out of this. So I think I still have a tiny coolant leak from one of the lines. So at some point we'll get to that, but for now the car's still operational. Also, I still have the LED lights. So we have tail lights, third brake lights, all that stuff that we're gonna upgrade, as well as the reverse lights. So we still have all that, and the S2000 is pretty much set. There's not too much that we need to do to this thing. We are gonna be rewrapping this or doing a color change on it soon, because our Plastidip paint job, you can probably see there's like handprints all over it and stuff like that, and it's like fading at a lot of spots too. It's really hard to keep clean, and any sort of grease or anything like that just almost stains it. So we're gonna be doing that. I still want to at some point supercharge this thing for the track. I know there's not a whole lot of interest on this on the channel, but this is kind of just like a fun toy for going to the racetrack and doing the actual road course events. So that's kind of the idea. We got road course events, drag strip, and just overall show and performance. So this thing should be a monster once we're done with it. But yeah, I think small light truck would be a cool little drag truck. Then we'll have this for the road course stuff, and that for just overall kind of best of both worlds. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to have a quick discussion with you guys, get you guys up to speed on what's going on, what you guys can expect, and also update you guys on that PO box so that you guys can send anything in that you guys think would be cool to feature here on Boosted Motorsports. And we'll do a mail time. We'll start opening some stuff, showing you guys some stuff, and who knows what we'll end up with. So that stuff as well. I also want to thank you guys for your continued support, and you guys are on it with giving it a thumbs up and subscribing, and also joining as well. So if you guys haven't already, hit that join button below. You'll see there's a bunch of perks to joining Team Boosted Motorsports. But yeah, click on that link. You guys will see it. Everything else will be in the description below, along with the PO box address. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.